Hello, 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 my friends. How you guys doing today? Today is Thursday. My apologies for yesterday. It's kind of busy yesterday. I had a meeting with one of my friends, one of my subscribers, Mr. David, great trader, simplicity, and too easy. So it was great. We were interchanging some ideas and sharing knowledge. So it was a very, very good get together yesterday, and we gonna analyze the markets. And we gotta be to be honest, this you guys probably noticed too for the last 2-3 weeks. I'm in the daily right there. It's way too long. You go to the hour. You can see any of the pairs. I know the USD Mexican pair right now, but look how just up and down, up and down, up and down for long periods of time. A lot of consolidation. And I was kind of forgetting to comment to all of you guys that normally in summertime it's like that. I forgot about other years, but normally summertime when it's like June, July, August is excuse me. It gets kind of like that. Okay, sometimes you can barely just break even. And that's pretty much where I am right now. I took a couple trades today. What did I took? I think NCDJPY very early in the morning in the 30-minute. Obviously, boom, that trade right there. That trade right there. Let me make it a little bigger. I have all my indicators right here. I just crunch it down. Everything was lined up very early, and I went into a trade. The market went against, and then when he got here, I got out with a few pips, right? I think I enter around here, something like that. And then I got like 20 something pips. Then I got out because it starts going against me, and as I was telling my friend David yesterday, normally when I go to work, I don't have the time to be looking at the strength, because normally if you enter a trade, obviously 15-30 minutes is in red, all the indicators are lining up. But if you have time to monitor your trade, even if it goes back, if you still got red here and red, I mean, just let it go look for another take profit, right? We look left, we look for take profit anywhere around this area, and you see that green line right there. Just as a test earlier in the morning, I'm gonna put a green line right there, because this is one take profit right here. You can clearly see that, and that's when I took the first profit, and then I put a green line right there. You can see it because this where you can find buyers here. You can see that rebound. You know, it's very popular. If I go back in the past, I can almost guarantee you're gonna see that is a good zone right here. So then after in the early morning, a little bit later, it went all the way down here. So I only took advantage of half of the trade, but that thing went what? That thing went 45 pips, real nice pips. And then I was thinking also, because since we were talking yesterday, with my friend David, another simplicity trader, it's a good idea, because we were discussing where is a good, place to get out of the trades. And I was thinking also, if you enter the 30-minute right here, one way to know when to get out is if you're in profit already, and this is the 30-minute triple arrow right there. Another thing you can do is go low to the 15-minute, and you go to the 15-minute, you got it right here, and the moment you see that you have, for example, a area or support right here, the moment you see this thing is pretty much crossing, or pretty much anywhere in that area, you can get out pretty much. But normally the best way to do it is, look left and look for take profit areas. Right here, that's where the party was before, and this where the party was before. Okay, for this trade. So accumulated a few pips right there, but I had earlier in the week, I had a big loss of a good amount of pips, but oh man, I'm gonna show you guys on Saturday because I don't want to mess up the recording if I start moving this area over here. But I had a big loss, not a big loss, but I'm talking about 1.5% of my account. So I was at $910 and it went low to $890, and right now I'm with these two trades, the NCD JPY and Euro NCD. I took this trade also, okay, and guess what? I kind of got desperate also. I didn't have time to monitor my trade, and I got out around here, and I just put that green line to see. This didn't exist, obviously, around, I think I got out around here, something like that. But then the trade went all the way to that. If you look left, you see where the party was before, and he got that, and then he went down, okay? So those are the two trades that I took. Oh, and also I took, the loss that I had, it was on UP odd, I think. Let me see if I can show you that. What was that? Oh, I think it was this trade right here, right there. Obviously, when the market was here, there was a sell zone right here, and then there was because these zones are moving with the price, obviously. But I took the straight down here, right there, and I think the buy zone was down here. The sell zone was right here, and I took this trade, and the trade didn't work too good. Okay, sometimes it's gonna happen. And then it came and it took my stop loss. I had it right there. Okay, but no worries. We still break even. I'm not worried about it. I'm still, have a lot of hope with this strategy. It's the summer. It's gonna be like that. Look, you can look at that. Look at that. It's just up and down, up and down, up and down. You can only go for 15, 20, 30 pips. That's it. And if you don't take your money, I mean, the market will go back again. That's the way it's going to be in the 30-minute and the summertime. I know it's going to be that way. But better times are coming. We're already very close to end July, and then August starts. By the half of August, starts getting a little bit better. Volatility comes back to the market the way it's supposed to be, and I know that we're going to start making good money, good profits. So friends, if you have any ideas, I'd like to also, if you want to share something in the comments to help the group. If it's something real helpful and you've been testing it for a while, I mean, by all means, But let's try to focus to stay under 30 minutes. Simplicity, too easy indicator, and simplicity. And we're going to continue. Also, there was strong news, I think that was a couple days ago, about inflation, and that kind of shake the markets also. Because inflation is at a 5-point-something%. That's very high. The normal for United States is like 2.5 something, but now it's 5%. Everything's super expensive right now. Inflation pretty much, the way I understand it is that the value of your dollar just goes less and less. The power of acquisition or something like that. I'm not a financial advisor or nothing like that, but I have a small idea of what that means. All right. Thank you very much. I don't know if you guys want to go check and scan to all the markets and see what's up. One of the pairs that I'm keeping a close eye because it's looking real good is Euro JPY. If we look at that one, okay, it's looking very good. And you already have all the 15 minutes there. Let me see if the rest of them. That's right there. Another tip that I'm gonna give you. Should I give you this tip or not? Should I give it to you? Yeah, I'll give it to you. Keep an eye when the 8 crosses the 50. Let's look at this right here. Because normally when that happens, the triple arrow is pretty much going to come almost at the same time. Okay. So let me get it a little bit closer. Now, I want to give an apology also because some of you guys have been asking me what is my trend period for the triple arrow, and I've been saying 13, but I was wrong. I'm using it at 10 period. Uncle P, the creator, he's using it at 13. But I've been using it at 10. It's very close. Okay, it's not like a big deal. I really like this one. I'm not suggesting you to go into the straight, but it's lining up. It's in the buy zone. If I look left, there's support. Let me look at the 4 hours so you can see that big support. This area right there, support, and it's already rebounding to go higher. Another thing also is that we have divergence. I see a lot of stuff in the markets because I've been studying a lot of different. Here, the price is going down, but this is going up. It's diverted. It's divergence. Okay, so those are good things to see. If you're looking for more confirmation, you can find a lot of stuff, but those are good signs. I really like Euro JPY. We'll see how it goes. Forget triple arrows at the right time. Hopefully it's inside the buy zone. And we're going to go in. We are going to go into the market. Euro JPY. If everything lines up. So that's kind of an alert that I give you. Just keep an eye. Trade at your own risk. Also, don't risk more than 2% of your entire account. Already taught you guys in a video how to get the percentage. Okay. I think it was like I think it was last Sunday or something like that. Get 2%, and you're not allowed to trade more than that if you want to be successful. And if you don't want to be successful, trade more than that, 5%, 10%, and you'll be done with your account real quick. Okay. Preservation of capital is the #1 key to be successful in the markets. Preservation of capital, because you're gaining experience with time, and you still have your capital. So it's going to come the time when you get better, because you keep doing it and you still have capital. The problem is when you just burn all your capital real quick, then you don't have a capital. You got nothing to trade for a while until you put more money, and then you lose time. And your confidence levels goes down because you cannot hold a account. Okay? So the #1 rule to be successful is preservation of capital. And if you can maintain an account, for 6 months, and you don't lose it, that's a very good sign. Maybe you're a break-even trader already, and you're one step away from being a successful trader, pretty much. Thank you, friends. I see you guys back again on Sunday for another analysis. And I'm going to start giving you alerts maybe on Sunday with we're going to look for trades that are looking good. And kind of give you guys a hint. I don't want to call them alerts, but you're responsible for your own trades, okay? Okay, see you guys soon. If you haven't buy the system. There's a link below the videos on YouTube in the description. You click and super easy, and it'll take you to the website. You don't only get the indicators, you get the whole support system and a company that has live classes every single week, 2 times a week, by Uncle P. He teaches you everything he knows about the markets, plus a lot of psychology, which is big part of being a good trader. God bless you all. Be safe out there, and see you guys in the weekend. Thank you for all new subscribers. Please hit that like notification and the notification, so when I put more videos, you get the notification. My goal is to get to 1,000 subscribers. That way I can do live trading. What that means? It's that we're gonna go into the markets exactly where I take the trades, and I'm not gonna suggest you guys take trades, but you're gonna see me take trades live, and that's it. If we make money, we make money, but we're gonna preserve that capital all the time. God bless you all. See you guys in the weekend.